So I want to do an exercise now for centering. And I'm just going to stick to the same exercise, just a simple movement of your hand forward for all of them today when we do our exercises in a physical sense, because you've got a ton of exercises in the step-by-step curriculum to apply this already. This is just to really give you the underlying frameworks of how do you bring out your internal power, how you become the state, how you utilize it in your kung fu, in your martial movement, whatever martial art you practice, because I know we've got tons of different martial arts practitioners in here, and also so that you can start to bring that inner power into your life so you live a more joyful, relaxed, free, happy experience because of the alignment you have with your internal power. So the movement that we are going to do is once again this movement, but we're going to do it now with centering. So first, I do it without centering. I can even just kind of collapse my spine a little bit, right? And consciously not center. Then as I do that, I'm just going to move my arm. So not centered, yeah? I just keep my spine a little collapsed. I'm not extending, I'm not sensing, I'm not being upright, I'm not seeing the center. I'm just moving with my structure in this position, yeah? You can even turn your stance and be a bit more robust with your positioning, yeah? Yeah, because now it's going to be even more difficult, yeah? And then from here, I center myself. I softly draw up Tai Gong. I sense my center. I see it filled with light. And then from here, I do the movement, yeah? You can see already there's a lot more power generated simply because I have and I'm just thinking about my center. I'm not thinking about syncing. I'm not thinking about sensing. I'm not thinking about using intention. I'm just thinking about being upright in my center. And from there, just moving from there, yeah? Just move from that position. And already that applies more power, yeah? As opposed to not being centered, yeah? Not being centered, I feel I actually knock myself back, you know? Yeah, unless I use a lot of excessive force. So that's a simple exercise. If you have a partner, grab a partner and play around with that one. And once again, if you don't have a partner, that's not one that you can use like shadow boxing style, you know, imaginary training partners. The wall is a good one for that. Just press on the wall, centered, press, not centered, and get the experience. Okay, any questions? Put it in the comments section, in the community, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.